So friends, my topic is principles and applications of lyophilzer. So in the early topic we studied about what is the instrument lyophilzer. So lyophilization is which is related to the process sublimation. So lyophilization is carried out using a simple principle of physics, sublimation. So sublimation is the process in which transition of a substance from the solid to the vapor state without first passing through an intermediate liquid phase. So lyophilization is performed at a temperature and pressure conditions below the triple point to ensure the enable sublimation of ice. So it is related to the process of sublimation. Sublimation is the process in which solid substance is directly transferred into vapor state without the intermediate liquid phase. The entire process is performed at a low temperature and pressure by applying vacuum. Hence it is suited for drying of thermolayable compounds, and thermolayable compounds means which is very sensitive to temperature. The concentration gradient of water vapor between the drying front and condenser is driving force for the removal of water during lyophilization. So this is the principle regarding the lyophilizer or lyophilization in which the instrument works. And there are mainly four applications behind the lyophilization. So the first application is in pharmaceutical and biotechnology, to increase the shelf life of products such as vaccines and other injectables. Then it is used in food industry also. These are to preserve food very lightweight and to produce essences of flavoring agents, which is used in preparing colored food, which is found in the restaurant like that. And freeze dried fruits are also produced, and culinary herbs are preserved, and instant coffee powder is also prepared using the lyophilization process. And the next application is in technical industries. So it is used in the chemical synthesis and formation of stable products in laboratories and in chemical industries. And other application of lyophilization are flora and fauna preservation and recovery of water damaged books and documents. So these are the four applications regarding the lyophilization. They are mm, to increase the shelf life of products and to prepare vaccines in pharmaceutical biotechnology and in food industry and in technical industries and in others. Then common lyophilized products, these are pharmaceuticals, large and small molecules, and bacteria, viruses, and vaccines, and plasma, and small zoological specimens, and fruit, coffee, flowers, and water damaged documents. So these products are we are found related with the daily life. So these are the products related to lyophilization. Then basic components of lyophilizer are compressor, door, heated shelves are also present in the front next to the door, and refrigeration coils present, and vacuum pump is also present. So these are the applications and principle in which the lyophilizer or the lyophilization process.